In 1953, Lancia introduced the iconic D20 Berlinetta, marking their foray into the world of car racing. This shift was driven by Gianni Lancia, who had a passion for racing that differed from his father, Vincent, a successful Fiat racer turned builder. The transition began with the Aurelia model, particularly the B20 Coupe, showing promise for racing. Lancia initially assisted customers in racing endeavors, and in 1952, they entered the field officially with the specially prepared Aurelia B20. Soon after, they embarked on designing a race car from the ground up, resulting in the birth of the D20 in 1953. Though some labeled it as an Aurelia in 2900, it was more than just an iteration, boasting unique technical details. The D20's development was a collaborative effort involving renowned figures like Vittorio Jano, Ettore Zacconemina, engines, Francesco Faleo, chassis, Mattei, engine testing, and Luigi Bosco, transmission. Its power came from a potent 6-cylinder V60 dig engine, nearly a 3-liter powerhouse producing over 215 horsepower at 6,500 revolutions per minute. Notable engine features included 4 camshafts, dual ignition, and a triple carburetor setup. From an aesthetic perspective, the D20 exhibited sleek and stylish design, a testament to Pininfarina's artistry. This racing endeavor was driven by Gianni Lancia's ambition to compete in the World Championship sports cars, starting in 1953. While the D20 served as an experimental platform, 4 of them evolved into the D23 Spider, bridging the gap to the D24, which would later make history by rivaling Ferrari, Alfa Romeo, Jaguar, and Aston Martin on the racetrack, particularly in the Mexican Carrera. The Lancia D20 remains a cherished legend in the world of racing.